Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we have another listening lesson for beginners. This lesson is about a daily conversation. It is a conversation at a library. A library is a place where you can borrow books. You go to a library to read. You go to a library to study. You go to a library to learn. You go to a library to find information. This is a very common situation. You might need to speak English at a library one day. This lesson will help you prepare. Let me introduce the people in our conversation. There are two people. The first person is David. David is a student. He is preparing for an exam. He needs to find some books. He needs to find some information. The second person is Mr. Thompson. Mr. Thompson works at the library. He is a librarian. A librarian is a person who helps people find books. He is friendly and helpful. He answers questions. He gives recommendations. He helps people find what they need. The conversation takes place at a library. The library is a quiet place. There are many shelves. There are many books. There are tables and chairs for reading. There are computers for research. There is a reception desk where the librarian sits. There are signs everywhere. They tell you where to find different kinds of books. It is a peaceful place. It is a helpful place. Let us listen to the conversation. The conversation. David enters the library. He looks around. He is not sure where to go. He walks to the reception desk. Mr. Thompson is standing behind the desk. He smiles at David. He is ready to help. Mr. Thompson, good morning, sir. Welcome to our library. How can I help you today? David, good morning. I am a student. I am preparing for an exam. I need to find some books. I need to find some information. I am not sure where to start. Mr. Thompson, of course. I am here to help you. What subject are you studying? What kind of information do you need? David, I am studying history. I need to find books about World War II. I need to write a paper about it. I need reliable sources. I need good information. Mr. Thompson, I can help you with that. We have a large section on history. We have many books about World War II. Let me show you where they are. Follow me. Mr. Thompson walks with David. He leads him to a section of the library. There are many books on the shelves. Mr. Thompson, this is the history section. These books are all about history. The books about World War II are on these shelves. You can find books about the causes of the war. You can find books about the battles. You can find books about the leaders. You can find books about the consequences. There is a lot of information here. David, thank you. This is very helpful. How do I find a specific book? I am looking for a book by a specific author. The author's name is John Smith. Mr. Thompson, you can use our catalog. We have a computer catalog. You can search by author name. You can also search by title. You can also search by subject. Let me show you how it works. Mr. Thompson walks to a computer. He shows David how to use the catalog. Mr. Thompson, just type the author's name here. Then, click Search. The catalog will show you all the books by that author. It will tell you if the book is available. It will tell you where to find it. It will give you the call number. David, what is a call number? Mr. Thompson, a call number is a code. It tells you where the book is located in the library. Each book has a unique call number. You can find the book on the shelf using the call number. It is like an address for the book. David, I see. That makes sense. Let me try it. David types the author's name into the computer. He clicks Search. The catalog shows the results. David, great. The book is available. The call number is 940.53. Where can I find it? Mr. Thompson, the call number 940.53 is in this section. It is on this shelf. Let me help you find it. Mr. Thompson walks to the shelf. He finds the book. He hands it to David. Mr. Thompson, here it is. This is the book you are looking for. It is a very good book. It is very detailed. It has a lot of information. I think you will find it very useful for your paper. David, Thank you so much. This is exactly what I needed. I really appreciate your help. Mr. Thompson, you are welcome. Are you looking for any other books? Do you need any other information? David, yes. I also need to find some articles. I need to find academic articles about World War II. Does the library have access to academic journals? Mr. Thompson, yes, we do. We have access to many academic databases. You can find articles there. You can search by topic. You can search by author. You can search by keyword. You can also find peer-reviewed articles. These are articles that have been reviewed by experts. They are very reliable. David, that is wonderful. How do I access the databases? Mr. Thompson, you can use the computers in the library. You can also access them from home with your library card. You just need to log in with your library card number. I can show you how to do it. Mr. Thompson shows David how to access the databases. He explains everything clearly. Mr. Thompson, you can also print articles. You can save them on a USB drive. You can email them to yourself. We also have photocopiers. You can photocopy pages from books. But please be careful. There are copyright rules. Do not photocopy too much. It is not allowed. David, I understand. I will be careful. I will only photocopy a few pages for my research. Mr. Thompson, that is good. Now, let me tell you about our borrowing policy. You can borrow up to 10 books at a time. You can keep them for 3 weeks. If you need them longer, you can renew them. You can renew them online. You can also renew them at the desk. There is no fee for renewals. David, that is good to know. What if I return a book late? Is there a fine? Mr. Thompson, yes, there is a late fee. It is 50 cents per day for each late book. It is not very expensive, but it is better to return them on time. It helps other people. They might be waiting for the same book. David, I will make sure to return them on time. I do not want to pay fines. Mr. Thompson, good. Now, let me tell you about our study areas. We have a quiet study area. It is on the 2nd floor. It is very quiet. It is perfect for studying. We also have group study rooms. You can reserve them. You can work with your classmates. You can discuss your projects. David, that is very helpful. I will use the quiet study area today. I need to concentrate on my research. Mr. Thompson, you can also use our computers. We have computers with internet access. You can also print your documents. The first 10 pages are free. After that, there is a small charge. The charge is 10 cents per page. David, that is very affordable. I will use the computers if I need to. Mr. Thompson, we also have a section with newspapers and magazines. We have local newspapers. We have national newspapers. We have international newspapers. We also have popular magazines. You can read them in the library. They are very informative. David, that is good to know. I might take a break and read some magazines. It is nice to have a variety of resources. Mr. Thompson, yes, we try to provide a wide range of resources. We want to help our patrons in every way possible. Is there anything else I can help you with today? David, no, I think that is everything. You have been very helpful. I feel much more confident now. I know what to do. I have a plan. Mr. Thompson, I am happy to help. If you have any more questions, please come to the desk. I am here every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. My colleagues are also available to help. Do not hesitate to ask. David, thank you. I will. I appreciate your help. Mr. Thompson, you are welcome. Enjoy your research. Good luck with your paper. David, thank you. Goodbye. Mr. Thompson, goodbye. Have a productive day. David walks to a table. He sits down. He opens his book. He starts reading. He is focused. He is determined. He is ready to do his research. He is grateful for the help he received. He knows he will succeed in his exam. Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let us look at some important words and phrases from the conversation. We will learn their meanings. We will learn how to use them. Library. This is a place where you can borrow books. You can also study there. You can also read newspapers and magazines. It is a quiet place. It is a helpful place. Librarian. This is a person who works at a library. He helps people find books. He answers questions. He gives recommendations. He is very knowledgeable. Catalog. This is a system that helps you find books. It is usually on a computer. You can search by author. You can search by title. You can search by subject. It tells you where the book is located. Call number. This is a code. It tells you where the book is located in the library. Each book has a unique call number. You can find the book on the shelf using the call number. Academic journal. This is a publication that contains articles. The articles are written by experts. They are about academic subjects. They are very reliable. They are often peer-reviewed. Database. This is an electronic system. It contains information. You can search for articles. You can search for research papers. You can search for academic sources. You can access it through the library. Borrow. This means to take a book from the library. You can keep it for a certain time. Then, you must return it. You can borrow up to 10 books. Renew. This means to extend the borrowing period. You can keep the book longer. You can renew online. You can renew at the desk. There is no fee for renewals. Fine. This is a fee you pay for late books. It is 50 cents per day. It is best to return books on time. This helps other people. Study area. This is a place in the library where you can study. It is usually quiet. You can concentrate there. Some libraries also have group study rooms. Reserve. This means to book a study room in advance. You can reserve it for a specific time. You can work with your classmates there. Phrases to remember. Here are some useful phrases from the conversation. You can use them in your own life. I am preparing for an exam. This is what you say when you are studying. It tells the librarian what you need. It helps them help you. I need to find some books. This is a simple way to ask for help. You can also say, I need to find some information. I am not sure where to start. This is a good way to ask for guidance. It shows you are open to help. It is honest and polite. How do I find a specific book? This is a very common question. It is very useful. You can ask this question often. What is a call number? This is a good question to ask. It helps you understand the system. It makes it easier to find books. Are there any other books? This is a good follow-up question. It shows you want more information. It shows you are thorough. Does the library have access to academic journals? This is a good question for students. It helps you find reliable sources. It helps you write good papers. Can I borrow this book? This is what you ask when you want to take a book home. It is a simple and polite question. What is the borrowing policy? This is a good question to ask. It helps you understand the rules. It helps you avoid fines. Is there a quiet study area? This is a good question. It helps you find a place to concentrate. It helps you be productive. Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask some questions. Try to answer them. Use the vocabulary we learned today. Question 1. What is a librarian? A librarian is a person who works at a library. He helps people find books. He answers questions. He gives recommendations. Question 2. What is a call number? A call number is a code. It tells you where the book is located in the library. Each book has a unique call number. Question 3. What can you find in a library? You can find books, academic journals, newspapers, magazines, and databases. You can also find computers and study areas. Question 4. How many books can David borrow? David can borrow up to 10 books. He can keep them for 3 weeks. Question 5. What happens if you return a book late? You have to pay a fine. It is 50 cents per day. It is better to return books on time. Practice dialogue. Now let us practice a simple dialogue. Imagine you are at a library. You are the student. The librarian is helping you. Try to speak the lines. Librarian, hello. How can I help you today? You, hello? I am preparing for an exam. I need to find some books. I am not sure where to start. Librarian, what subject are you studying? You, I am studying history. I need to find books about World War II. Librarian, I can help you with that. Let me show you the history section. The books about World War II are on these shelves. You, thank you. How do I find a specific book? I am looking for a book by John Smith. Librarian, you can use the catalog. Type the author's name here. Then, click Search. The catalog will show you the book. It will also give you the call number. You, thank you. I will try that. Librarian, you are welcome. If you need any more help, just ask. You, I will. Thank you for your help. Summary. Today, we listened to a conversation at a library. We met David and Mr. Thompson. We heard how they talked. We learned new vocabulary. We learned useful phrases. Going to a library is a common experience. Many people go to libraries to study. Many people go to libraries to read. Many people go to libraries to find information. You might need to go to a library one day. You might need to speak English at a library. You might need to ask for help. This lesson helps you prepare. You can use the phrases we learned. You can ask for help. You can ask for books. You can ask for information. You can ask about the borrowing policy. You can find study areas. You can be polite. You can be confident. You can get the help you need. Practice this conversation at home. Practice with a friend. Practice alone. The more you practice, the better you will be. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. When you go to a library, you will be ready. You will not be nervous. You will speak clearly. You will get the help you need. We hope this lesson was helpful. We hope you learned something new. We hope you feel more prepared for a visit to a library. Reading is a wonderful habit. Libraries are wonderful places. They are full of knowledge. They are full of opportunities. They are full of possibilities. Visit your local library. Discover the world of books. Learn something new every day. Thank you for listening to English Listening for Beginners on our channel, Elevate English. We will have more conversations in the future. We will cover more situations. We will help you in your English journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck. And remember, knowledge is power. Read a book today. It will change your life.